Now let's talk about loops. In programming, loops are used to execute a block of code repeatedly. Python provides two types of loops to handle looping requirements, while and for. In addition, Python provides loop control statements, break, continue, pass, that can change loop execution flow. Let's dive deeper into these concepts. And let's start with while loop. A while loop repeatedly executes a target statement as long as a given condition is true. Let's see an example. In our Python project, I will create a new Python file, while loop, and in the script I will define a new variable, count equals 0. Okay, and let's start writing our while loop. While count is less than 5, to this action print the count is, and every time increment our count variable. Count is equal count plus 1. Let's execute our code. And we can see that in this code the while loop will continue to print the count and increment it by 1 until the count is no longer less than 5.